If you want to copy something in Photopea quickly, whether it is a text box, an image, a shape, or any other layer, this video is going to make it super easy. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the fastest ways to duplicate a layer or graphic element inside your project, so you can save time and keep your workflow moving smoothly. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Photopea tips just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first method is the quickest and most common way to copy a layer in Photopea. Look over to your Layers panel on the right side of the screen and click the layer you want to duplicate. It is important that you select the correct layer because Photopea will copy exactly what is highlighted in the Layers panel. Once the layer is selected, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-J on Windows or Command-J on Mac. As soon as you press that shortcut, Photopea will instantly create a duplicate of that layer. The copy will appear right above the original layer in the Layers panel, and on the canvas it will sit directly on top of the original object. This is perfect when you want to make a second version of the same element without rebuilding it from scratch. For example, if you are working with a logo, a text headline, or a shape, you can duplicate it in 1 second and then move the copy wherever you need it. Now let's go to the second method, which is just as useful and a little more visual. This one uses the Move tool. On the left toolbar, select the Move tool, which is usually labeled with the shortcut V. With the Move tool active, hold down Alt on Windows or Option on Mac. Then click directly on the object you want to copy and drag it away from the original position. Photopea will make a duplicate as you drag, so you can place the new copy wherever you want on the canvas. This is especially handy when you want to duplicate something and reposition it at the same time. Instead of creating a copy first and then moving it later, you can do both actions together in one smooth motion. That makes it great for designing layouts, repeating icons, making multiple text elements, or building clean symmetrical designs. A quick tip here, if you are duplicating a layer with Ctrl-J or Command-J, make sure the layer itself is selected and not just the object on the canvas. On the other hand, if you are using the Alt or Option drag method, make sure the Move tool is active so Photopea knows you want to duplicate instead of just move the item. Both methods are fast, both are reliable, and which one you use really depends on your workflow. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, the Layers panel method is the fastest. If you prefer visual control, the click and drag method is probably the easiest. Once you get comfortable with both, you will be able to copy layers in Photopea without even thinking about it. That kind of speed really adds up when you are editing multiple graphics or working on a larger design project. So just to recap, if you want to copy a layer in Photopea, first select the layer and press Ctrl-J on Windows or Command-J on Mac. If you want to duplicate by dragging, choose the Move tool, hold Alt or Option, then click and drag the element to create a copy. That is all there is to it. Very simple, very fast, and extremely useful. If this video helped you learn how to copy in Photopea, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.